I'm going to explain what OneDrive is, and I'm going to explain the pros and cons to using it or not. Stay tuned till the end for a free bonus. In this tutorial, I'll explain how OneDrive works by going over the pros and cons. I'll show you which files are stored online, which ones stay on your computer, and what OneDrive does not back up. At the end, you'll have enough information to decide whether you want to use OneDrive or turn it off. Let's start by looking at the bottom right corner of the taskbar. You'll see a cloud here. Mine has a line through it, which means OneDrive is turned off on my computer. I'll be using slides today to show you how OneDrive works. I personally don't use OneDrive and mine is turned off. Let's start with how OneDrive stores files. On the left, these are online files only, over here where you see the cloud. On the right are files marked always keep on this device. They have a green check mark. These files are stored on your computer and in OneDrive, and they do take up hard drive space. You'll see a green check mark right here. Both types are backed up online. The difference is whether a copy also stays on your computer. Now I'll show you how files get saved to OneDrive. When OneDrive is turned on, Windows automatically suggests saving files to OneDrive. And here's your folder over here under your home icon on your side panel of File Explorer. You'll see OneDrive listed on the left side when you click Save As. Here's your Save As window up here. If you save a file here, it's backed up online and can sync to other devices. So we also show Documents and Desktop here. OneDrive also backs up files saved in these File Explorer folders: Desktop, Documents, and Pictures. And you can see over here is a family photo, and it's saved in both places. So the cloud is just online, and the green check mark is both places. Other folders like downloads, videos, or random folders you create elsewhere are not backed up unless you move them into OneDrive folder. These icons tell you what's happening with your files. A blue cloud means the file is online only. A green check mark means the file is stored on your computer and synced with OneDrive. Either way, the file is in OneDrive. It's just a question of whether it's also using space on your hard drive. One of the main functions of OneDrive is syncing files across computers. On this image, you see online only files, which is over here, and they have the blue cloud. And on this image, you see online only files and files marked always keep on this device. When OneDrive is on, any file you add, change, or delete in these folders update everywhere you're signed into with the same Microsoft account. So that can be a problem. You both, two people sharing the same Microsoft account. So when OneDrive is on, all files in the OneDrive folder and the desktop, documents, and picture folder are stored online, even if they're saved on your computer. So it'll be like the checkmark ones. This is very important to understand. If you and your spouse or anyone else shares the same Microsoft account, OneDrive will sync files between the computers. So that means files can appear on the other computer, and deleting a file on one computer can delete on the other. Now we're going to go over the pros and cons of using OneDrive. Automatically backs up files in desktop, documents, and pictures. It can access files from other computers or devices using the same Microsoft account. Online only files do not take up space on your computer. Files marked always keep on this device are stored both online and locally. Changes sync automatically across your devices. So even like if you went somewhere else, you lost your computer or whatever, you could still access your online files. Files are still accessible if your computer is lost or broken. And the cons is that it's not a full computer backup. It does not back up Windows programs or system settings. Some folders are not backed up automatically, like downloads, videos, and other custom folders. Files sync across computers with the same Microsoft account. Deleting a file on one computer can delete it everywhere, and files kept on your computer use hard drive space. So the bottom line is use OneDrive for automatic cloud backup and syncing. Turn OneDrive off if you want files only on your computer or prefer another backup method. I use Google Drive. I've used that for a while. I don't want to worry about the computer syncing with my husband's computer. Thanks for visiting my channel. If you enjoyed the tutorial, please subscribe to my channel. Also, comment below what other simple tech subject you'd like me to teach on. And thanks for coming.